And action! Welcome along to another episode of Filming and Fettling. And this time we'll be taking a quick look at something that's slowly but surely becoming part of community life here in the UK. Sustainable living is all about making the best use of what we've got. So when something breaks, maybe think about how it can be repaired rather than chucking it in the bin. But having something fixed is expensive, isn't it? Well, not if you happen to have a repair cafe nearby. Local volunteers will have a go at fixing just about anything you can think of, and it won't cost you a penny. Of course, you could leave a donation to help keep things moving along, but the whole point is to reduce landfill and create a complete ideology that means we all make better use of our resources. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of the punters who recently came along to Faringdon in Oxfordshire thought about it.
I came about 6 months ago now with a lawnmower because our lawnmower was broken and just didn't seem like the right thing to do to put it in landfill without at least trying to fix it. But we didn't have a clue how to go about that. So I'd heard about this place and I thought, well, I'll give it a go.
The process was nice and easy. I was wondering whether they'd just turn me away because I've got something weird, but I can see there's all sorts of weird things. So, and I love the fact that there's some sewings, there's some electrics, there's hammers and that.
It's a stubborn staple. It does not want to come.
I had 3 lamps that were broken in a toaster and I find it difficult to throw things in a landfill straight away. So rather give it a new life. And if they can make life out of it, brilliant. If they can't, at least I've tried.
We've got some shears that needed sharpening. I don't like throwing things away. My wife will tell you. And so I thought, well, we'll bring them along, see if we can get them sharpened up, and they'll be good for a good few more years. I don't know how many other people from the village will come, but we saw it and thought, yeah, that's a great idea. So yeah, we came along and hopefully we can get our stuff fixed today.
Along a laminator, there was a concern that a sheet had been stuck inside it, and rather than it going in the bin or getting it checked, I wanted to make sure that it was safe to use or see if I could get it fixed rather than having to buy a new one. And bonus is I've got it fixed, yes, and it means that it's one less thing to go to the recycling.
On the day, everything else needs something else.
Really good. I think everyone should do it. I think if everyone has the foresight to just try and make it work, and if you don't like it, that's fine, give it to charity, but you always got a second or third, fourth life out of a product.
I think they're absolutely brilliant because it saves us having to throw things away and buy new all the time. I mean, I'm not very good at mending things at home, so I wouldn't know how to do it myself, but coming here and there's so many people who've got really good skills.
Yeah, look, I can see that filament in that is sort of swinging free. It's a challenge to actually get things fixed, and it's a joy to actually fix things for people who bring them in and don't want to see them dumped, so they bring them in, give them the last lease of life. We've got nothing to lose really, so we come in, have a go, and try and rescue them, and it's a lot of fun. You never really know what's going to come through the door. One minute it can be just a table lamp with a blown bulb, the next minute it's a disco fog producer that's blown out. Time we do this, we rescue 30, 40, 50 kilos of kit from landfill that would otherwise just be thrown out. So it's nice to rescue it and put it back into service and of course save people money.
I think it's brilliant to sort of pool all that resource and put that together and to support the community, not to throw things away, and it's really good for the environment to reuse rather than get rid of.
You can can find out more about repair cafes near you by looking in the description below this video, where you'll find some useful links. And have a look on Facebook by searching for Repair Cafe.